All right, the kids are getting in the boat. Sit down, look at me. Okay. So it says the rower. That's where the rower sits. All right. Listo. Listo pisto. See, the current's real strong because the water's up. So he's got to anticipate the current pushing the boat. So he's got to start out here, and by the time we cross, we'll be downstream at the launch on the other side. Aguas fría?
Yes, cold.
So what do you guys think of this?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Is this cool?
Yeah, third time on a boat. Third time? Oh, yeah, third time.
See how fast the current, he has to work hard because see how fast the current's pushing us?
Yeah.
So if he's gonna hit that, he wants to hit that launch right there. No pescaleros aquí.
No.
Gracias. All right, we are officially in Mexico.
Yay!
All right, give him his vest.
Thank you.
All right, gracias.
I'm gonna ride a horse.
Okay. Hola. Buenos días. Gracias. Buenos
Welcome
días.
to Mexico.
Gracias. Here, hold this. It's running, so film us. 15.
How old are the kids?
8 y 10.
Okay, sí, 15. Cinco. Okay.
All right, gracias.
You want to ride donkey, horses? Or,
¿Cuántos dólares de burros?
burros $10, horses 15.
De burros, por favor,
Tres burros.
Sí.
Okay. Okay, this guy here come with it to help you with the donkeys. Okay, he be your guy and then he work for tips.
All
Okay.
right, gracias. Buen día.
Buen día. Flor.
I'm gonna ride a horse, but donkey with that. Yep. I'm ready. Ready.
La niña, what color do you want?
I want a white donkey.